Today we are going to study about the another problem on sampling theory. That is, a population consists of 5 numbers, that is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. A population consists of 5 numbers 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Consider all possible samples made from this population. Consider all possible samples of size 2 can be drawn with replacement from this population. Find first one, the mean and standard deviation of the population. B, mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution of means. C, considering the samples without replacement, find the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution means. Next, first one, what is the population means? Population means you have to add all these 5 numbers. What is the 5 numbers? 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. That is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8, 11 is divided by n. Here 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 5 is, the answer is 6. Here population variance is, what is population variance? First A, what we have to find out? The mean and standard deviation of the population. Population mean mu, which is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 5, that is 6. Population variance is, that is 1 by n summation of 5 from 1 to n xi minus mu whole square. That is sigma square is 1 divided by 5. Sigma square is 1 divided by 5, 2 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square. Next, 2 minus means, that is 2 minus 6 whole square, x1, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Again, 2 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square, 8 minus 6 whole square, 11 minus 6 whole square. Again, sigma square value is, by calculating this value, the 54 divided by 5, the answer is 10.8. Here mu, which is equal to 6, here sigma is root 10.8. Again, what we have to find out? B is, let us consider all samples of size 2 with replacement, n which is equal to 5, n which is equal to 2. With replacement means you have to take n to the power, capital N to the power n. The formula is capital N to the power n. Let us consider all sample size 2 with replacement. Here total n value is 5, here n small n value is 2. Here n to the power n is 5 square value is 25. Samples which are as follows. That is 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Means here, what are the 25 values? 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. First I have to take 2, 2. Again 3, 2. These are 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Means here 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Next again 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Next again 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 8, 6, 6, 6, 8, 6, 11. Next 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 11. Next 11, 2, 11, 3, 11, 6, 11, 8, 11, 11. Next, the mean of the samples in the respective order is as follows. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next 2, 3 is 5, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Next 2 plus 11 is 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Again 2 plus 11 is 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. Again 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 3 comma 2 is 3 comma 2 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Like that 3 by 3, that is 3 by 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.7. 3 plus 11 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 3 plus 11 is 14 divided by 2 is 7. Like this we get the values. Next, the mean and standard deviation can be found as we done in the case of population by forming a frequency distribution as follows. See here how many 2.5, first 2 is there, how many 2 are there? Only one 2 is there, that's why you have to take frequency is 1. Again how many 2.5 are there? 1 2.5, 2 2.5, that is you have to take frequency is 2. Next again how many 2.5, how many 3 are there? 3 values is 1. Here no, only 1, that is frequency is considered as 1. Again how many 4 number is there? First is 1, second this is 2. Next how many 4.5 value is there? That is 1 2 1 2 1 2, that is 4.5. How many 5 values are there? 1 1 2 2 1 1, this is 4.5, sorry, 2, only 2. Next how many 5.5 are there? See here 5.5 are 1 2 1 2. How many 6 are there? Here only 1 6 is there, that is this is the 6 value. Next only 1 6, that is considered as frequency. Next again 6.5. What is 6.5? 6.5, 1 6.5. Again here another 6.2. Next how many 7 are there? 1 2 3 4 7 value. Next how many 8 value? 8 value is 1. Again 8.5 value is 2, that is 8.5 8.5 2. 9.5 is 9.5 2. Next 11 is only 1. Again f into x, we have to multiply fx, we get the value. Summation of f is 25, summation of f of x is 150. Again you have to find out x square. X square is you have to squaring 2 square, 2.5 square, 3 square, we get the value x square. Again fx square, x square into f, this is x square. See here f into x is, the value is 2 5 3 8 9 10 11 6 13 28 11 8 17 19 11. Again x square is 4 6.5 9 16 20.25 30.25 36. This is the x square value. Next f into x square, you have to multiply f into x square, that is fx square is 4 12.5 9 32 40.5 50 60.5 36 84.5 196 64 144.5 180.5 121 by multiplying f into x square. This is 1025. Again mu x bar is summation of fx divided by summation of f, that is 150 divided by 25, value is 6. Sigma x whole square is summation of fx square divided by summation of f minus mu x whole square, that is 1025 divided by 25 minus 6 whole square, which is equal to 5.4. Mu x whole square is 6, sigma x is root 5.4. Next Next we have to find out third one. C. What is C? Let us consider the random samples. Let us consider random samples without replacement. You have to take NCN. NCN means you have to take pi C2. Pi C2 value is 10 samples. 10 samples means you have to take without replacement means 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8. That means here 2, 3, 6, 8, 11 means here 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. Again 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Next again 6, 8, 6, 11. Next 8, 11. First you have to find out mean of these values. What is mean? 2, 3 divided by 2 is 2.5. 2 plus 6 is 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 plus 11 is 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Next 3 plus 11 is 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 plus 11 is 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Next 8 plus 11 is 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. Again mu x bar. Mu x bar is 1 divided by 10. 2.5, 2.5 plus 4 plus you have to add all these values. Mu x bar. Mu x bar is, that is total number of elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is summation of fx. You have to add all these values. That is mu x bar is 1 by 10. 2.5 plus 4 to add, we get 60 divided by 10 is 6. Sigma x square values, again you have to take here 6, 2.5 minus 6, 4.5 minus 6, 5.5 minus 6 whole square. Summation means I12 means previously I have done, that is 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 we get by calculating this, that is 2.5 minus 6 whole square plus 4.4 minus 6 whole square, 5 minus 6 whole square, 6.5 minus 6 whole square, 4.5 minus 6 whole square plus 5.5 minus whole square, 7.7 minus 6 whole square, 7 minus 6 whole square, 8.5 minus 8 whole square, 9.5 minus 6 whole square. That is 1 by 10. By adding this 40.5 divided by 10 is 4.05. Here mu x bar is 6, sigma x which is equal to 4.05. Again here 4.05. This is the without replacement. This is with replacement. This is the with replacement. This is the problem.